Hello, my name is Stewart Dickson. I'm the creator of the Gaboon Vampire. It's a 5-string electric viola that has the paddle on the front to hold it up so your hands free. I'm going to give you a short demo here. I don't have a bow. You know, it was embarrassing that I created this instrument and I don't know how to play it. So I'm starting on Suzuki Viola Twinkle without a bow. Thank you.